Greetings, everybody. According to the report of the government of Manipur, till 20th June, we have 129 persons being killed in the ongoing ethnic clash between Meitei and the Kuki. 15 persons have been missing, and about 393 people have got severe injuries. 5,036 arsons took place. This includes destructions of houses and homes, shops, etc. Among these, 253 churches have been destroyed, and 130 temples or Meitei shrines have been completely destroyed. There are altogether 52,599 recorded displaced persons, which are now living in a pathetic conditions in 398 camps. We are living in a very horrendous situations and horrible situations. Peace has not restored yet. But where does this incident is taking place? It is taking place in a place called Manipur, the land of polo, the land of Shiroi Lili, the land of Rasa dance, the land of martial arts called Thangta, the land of persons like Mary Kom, Sarita, and so many people who have received Padma Shri awards in India. Now let me talk to you about Manipur. What is it? When we say about Manipur, we need to look at three aspects. Number one, the territory. It's a 22,327 square kilometers miles, a piece of tract of land on the surface of the earth located in the northeastern part of India. It is a land of valley constituting about 10% of the geographical area, a land of hills comprising about 90% of the geographical area. It's a land of streams, lakes, and rivers. When we talk about Manipur, we must not forget all these topographical and geographical features. And it's a land of ecosystems where, before the growth of human beings, floras and faunas have been living, vegetations have been living, different kinds of forests and marine creatures have been surviving. Then human beings come, evolve. And today, Manipur is comprised of about 39 several tribes, Meitei Pangals, permanent residents, and several other linguistic groups and migrants. So when we talk about Manipur, it is the territory, it's a geographical feature wherein an ecosystem has been evolved, and it's a place where all these peoples have constituted. All these together constituted an organic entity called Manipur, which is not breakable at any cost by any artificial forces, because it is a historically constituted and established organic future. Now when I say about Manipur, what is the need of the hour? We need to understand that as people living there, inhabiting a territory, living within ecosystems, we must know that it is the collective destiny. No one can live independent of the other, either the geographical features or the ecosystem, the relationship between peoples and environment, and the relationship among all the coexisting communities. If there is a growth and progress in Manipur, it is going to have positive impact on all people. Otherwise, anything misfortunate things happening in our state is going to affect everybody, such as famine, drought, or landslide, flood, deforestation, epidemic, etc., wildfire, etc., etc. Anything that happens in our land is going to affect each one of us in one way or the other. I'm trying to say that we as a human beings have to live together, coexistently, no matter what differences that we have. Nobody can claim any exclusive territorial rights over any portions of the land. We live as an organic body. We defended it as an organic body historically in the past and present, and we will defend it at any cost, even at the cost of our life. We will fight for the integrity, unity, and peace and progress of our motherland called Manipur. There are so many things happening in the state which requires special attentions by people across communities to join hands and fight together. If there is deprivations and injustice in the state, we have to fight structural injustice. We have to fight underdevelopment and any kind of corporate plunders being designed by any external forces at the cost of our people. We need to join hands together to fight bad governance. We need to condemn chauvinisms and sectarianisms and communal politics. We need to join hands together. We need to overcome any forms of subjugation and exploitations of people in our territory. We have to fight for the victims of oppressions and exploitations. We need to fight to defend our ecosystems. We need to fight deforestation. We need to defend our peoples from external aggressions by infiltrators. We will not allow that things to happen. We have to fight infiltrations. We have to fight drug lords. We have to fight drug pandemics. And most importantly, we have to fight any kind of unjust war and ethnic cleansings being carried out by any communal divisive forces to create problems, instability, and human catastrophes in our regions. For all these things, all the communities, progressive-minded peoples, peace-loving peoples have to come together. Forget your community for the time being. Let's defend our peace. It's only in defending peace and unity that your community will be safe. Otherwise, any sectarians and nefarious kind of designs and diabolic games is going to cause more violence and more harmful to the society. So when we talk about peace, we are saying about a society free from fear and any kind of compulsions and oppressions. We stand for peace, we stand for integrity. In standing for peace and integrity, we are thinking of building up a united front for the progress, development, and the goodwills of the present generations and the generations to come. Long live Manipur, Imalai Bagna, Yaifare, we stand for peace.